Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be blinging my old glasses frame. I'm tired of the frame and I just want to spice it up a little bit. So I'll be showing you guys what I'll be using and how I'll be going about it. If you're interested in this kind of content, kindly keep on watching and please watch till the end so as this help my analytics. I got tired of this place. It's a little bit old, so I'd like to stone it to change the look of these glasses. I'm using these rhinestones I got from a nail shop in Nigeria, and I'll be using this nail glue I got from Sage Luxury, a very powerful and strong glue. So I don't know if I should do it all the way down to this place. If I get to this place and I like it, I'll stop. I don't know the effect it will have on this place, but I'll try it anyway. So I'm a little bit less busy at work, so I decided to do something, and that's to do this. Okay, I hope I don't regret this. Hey, shit. Okay. Okay. I have to be very careful in putting the nail glue. Yeah. Okay. Because I noticed the stone stays put once I put it there. So I need to be very careful with that. Then I think the size I'm using are no longer here. I need to pour more. I hope this size will be enough for me, because I can see that it's not that much here. Okay. So with the way this is going, I don't think I'll be able to do it all the way down because of the size, the sizes I'm using. The size is a big one, and it's not that much in this set. Okay. I won't want to use different colors of rhinestones. I love this particular one. Okay, so this is it again. I think this is the second time I'll be blinging up something I own. The first one was a phone case I got somewhere back, sometimes back. So this is the second time I'll be trying to bling my stuff. I can't wait to finish with this. I love the way it's looking already. But the problem now is the size, is this particular size. I think I need to switch so that okay. That's closer. So I need to get more of that size. So I think I need to use another color of rhinestone on the other side because this particular size is finished in this pack. So I might have to use another color of rhinestone on the other side, or something very close to this. Okay. Okay. Sorry. So this is it. So I got to look for something close to it. The particular crystal I was using before finished. So I look for something close to it.
Empire.
Type of feeling that I feel when I'm with you. Oh, do mommy anytime where I stay with you. I want your heart, your soul, and your whole body too.
No. Okay. So this is the other side. This is it. Can't wait to rock my glasses. I can't wait to rock my glasses. So I'm going to be doing in front as well. I'm going to try to do it in front as well. I'm going to do it here and here.
I hope these are not destroy my glasses. Okay. So these are the things to stay. I don't know if it's going to stay because it's a little bit sticky. Rolling. Okay, I think it has stayed. I was scared for a while. It will soon stay. Honestly, I don't know what I'm trying to achieve by doing this to my glasses. I'm scared. Now I'm scared. Okay. I'm loving my new glasses now.
Glitterspolish Empire.
Special type of feeling that I feel when I'm with you. Oh, do mommy, anytime where I stay with you. I want your heart, your soul, and your whole body too. I can't let you go. I'm beginning to fall in love. I'm all alive. If them point gun to my head, say make I deny you, I go tell them say lie, no be lie, yeah.
So this is what it looks like when I'm done. So can you see this? This one in the middle and the side. I wanted to put here before, but I thought it would be too much, so I decided to just give it the way it is. I think I even prefer the one on the sides than the ones here, but this is just minimal. And I love it like this. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Ademidu Abimbola. I'm a nail technician based in Lagos State, Nigeria. All I do on this channel are nail tutorials, product reviews, and a little bit of vlogging. If you like what you see on this channel, kindly consider subscribing to become part of the family. So I decided to do this one today because I got bored and I got tired of my old frame and I decided to bring it up. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye.